Everyone's talking about learning GenAI. Every week there is a new buzzword: RAG, AI agents, LangChain, and much more. It's hard to keep up. And with every GenAI course claiming to make you industry ready, which one is actually worth it? In this video, we are answering the biggest questions about the Coding Ninja's advanced certification in GenAI and multi-agent systems in collaboration with IBM. From placements and eligibility to the curriculum, certifications, and whether this is a good investment for you or not. Let's start with the question 1. What does the Coding Ninja's placement record look like? Well, over the years, Coding Ninjas has helped over 1.5 lakh learners build careers at top tech companies like Oracle, Paytm, PayPal, Flipkart, OYO, and many. In fact, 1400 plus alumni are working at MAN companies, and learners have seen an average salary hike of 128% through the Coding Ninjas placement cell. That said, this program does not guarantee a job. Hiring depends on your skills, projects, and interview performance. What Coding Ninjas does provide is structured placement assistance through resume reviews, interview preparation, career guidance, and access to hiring opportunities to help you become job ready. Coming to the next question, can beginners or professionals from a non-tech background transition into GenAI roles? Yes, absolutely you can. Beginners and professionals from non-tech backgrounds can transition into GenAI roles because the program starts from the fundamentals and gradually progresses to advanced concepts like prompt engineering, RAG, AI agents, and production-ready GenAI systems. The only prerequisite is a basic understanding of Python. If you are unsure whether you are ready, the Coding Ninjas counselors will assess your profile during a free one-on-one counseling session and guide you accordingly if needed. You'd also get access to self-paced Python bridge course to complete before the second week of the live classes. And like any other technical field, your success depends on consistent practice and completing the projects throughout the placement program. Now coming on to the next question, what exactly is taught in the 6-month advanced certification in GenAI and multi-agent systems? Well, let's break it down month by month. Month 1, you will build the foundation. Learn the fundamentals of AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, alongside the prompt engineering techniques using Python and Hugging Face. In month 2, you'll be working on LLM APIs. Integrate large language models into real applications by working on APIs, handling model responses, and building AI-powered applications. In month 3, you'll dive deep in NLP and RAG. Learn embeddings, vector databases, semantic search, and build RAG applications using frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index. In month 4, you'll learn advanced RAG, where you'll explore advanced retrieval techniques, reduce hallucinations, and evaluate RAG systems for real-world performance. Coming towards month 5, you will dive deep into AI agents and multi-agent systems to build intelligent AI workflows using frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, AutoGen, where multiple AI agents can reason, plan, and collaborate. And in month 6, we will introduce you to deployment, where you will deploy AI applications using fast API, integrate RAG with AI agents, and learn production concepts like LLM Ops. Throughout the program, you will also build 10 plus industry projects, including AI chatbots, semantic search engines, finance assistants, healthcare solutions, and multi-agent applications. Beyond these 6 months, you will also get access to optional advanced modules, including the AI-assisted development with agentic IDEs, where you will learn AI coding workflows using tools like Codex, Claude Code, and Anti-Gravity. Next is Foundations of Neural Networks and Transformers, covering the deep learning, transformers, transfer learning, and modern AI architectures. And not to forget LLM fine-tuning, where you will learn techniques like RAG, PEFT, DPO, model optimization, deployment, and evaluation to build efficient, domain-specific AI applications. Now let's move on to the next question, question number 4. How is Coding Ninjas different from other alternatives? Well, today there are hundreds of GenAI courses available online. But what makes this one different is, first, the program is built by top AI experts and includes add-on IBM learning modules, giving you access to industry-relevant learning. Second, learning goes beyond recorded lectures. You'll attend live weekend classes, interact with mentors, build hands-on projects, and get AI-powered doubts. Third, focuses on building real-world applications from prompt engineering and RAG to AI agents and deployment, not just learning theory. You'll also get access to the 10x Club, where you'll participate in hackathons, tech talks, and networking events with industry professionals. Overall, the goal is simple: to help you build a job-ready portfolio with practical GenAI skills, not just another course certification. Now coming to the next question, will I get a certification and will it help me in GenAI roles? Yes, Absolutely. After successfully completing the program and the required assessments, you'll receive multiple certifications. These include official IBM 3+1 certifications, Coding Ninja's module completion certificates, and an NSDC certification. The IBM learning path includes specialized certifications covering topics like Generative AI for software developers, Generative AI for cybersecurity professionals, LLM architectures, and a final IBM GenAI certification. Now it's important to understand what certifications actually do. A certification won't guarantee a job, but certifications from recognized organizations like IBM can strengthen your profile, especially when you are backed by practical projects and demonstrable skills. Recruiters ultimately hire based on your ability to solve problems, showcase projects, and perform well in interviews. Think of the certification as an additional credibility boost, not the only factor. Now comes the biggest question. Question number 6. What is the fee of the Coding Ninja's GenAI course, and is it worth it? When you look beyond the price tag, you're investing in complete learning experience. Over 6 months, you're attending live vegan classes, build 10 plus industry relevant GenAI projects, and work with technologies like RAG, AI agents, LangChain, LangGraph, Fast API, and LLM Ops to create real-world AI applications. Along with that, you'll get add-on IBM learning modules, guest lectures by IBM experts, mentorship, AI-powered doubt support, access to the 10x Club, and dedicated career support including resume reviews and interview preparation. If you're serious about building practical, job-ready GenAI skills, this program offers a structured path to get there. As for the fee, it depends on the scholarship you're eligible for. To know your personalized fee, EMI options, and the current offers, simply book a free one-on-one counseling session with the Coding Ninjas team, and they'll help you choose the best option based on your career goals. And that wraps up the 6 biggest questions about the Coding Ninja's advanced certification in GenAI and Multi-Agent Systems. If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you'd like personalized guidance on whether this program is the right fit for you or not, book a free one-on-one counseling session using the link that is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe this video, and we'll see you in the next one.